Hi and welcome to creating our concept art section. In this section we're going to go through quite a hefty series of lectures, and I want you to follow through and do exactly what I do. So if I create a little sketch, I want you to create a little sketch. It doesn't matter what it looks like, just follow it through and see what you end up with. So we're going to start off by discussing visual style. Then we're going to move on to gather reference material. I mean, you have a whole World Wide Web out there to search for material. There's no reason why you can't gather as much reference material as possible, and we'll discuss that in more detail too. Then we're going to start creating thumbnail sketches. Now, thumbnail sketches are really important for the process, and it's just throwaway art basically until something starts clicking. Blocking out initial value. We've talked about value in a previous lecture. We're going to talk about light and shade and start applying that to our image. We're going to start adding detail, and we're going to start laying on some textures. Then we're going to finish up the concept and try and sort of understand when enough is enough, because that's quite hard to do. You can keep going and going and going, but you just need to get to a point where you can see your art and it's enough for the 3D modeler to take and create the assets and create the scene. So we'll discuss that in more detail. And then we're going to create some supplement drawings, and these are quite important for things like this hut. What's around the other side of that hut? What's at the back? Things like that. Is that it, what we can see there, or is there more to it? And these supplement drawings will show us that detail. And that's it. So should be a really interesting section. So I'll see you in the first lecture.